Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing. This is for the month of August. The card inside says Reach. Oh, this is packed with goodies. Is this a coupon? Cool. Bubby's Hawaii. It's an ice cream pack. Huh. I wonder if that's something they carry at Target? Not sure where you can find that. Let's see. For a retailer near you. So you can go to their website and find out where they carry it, and you get a free pack of that. That's really awesome. This box is only $7, I think, a month, so I feel like it's definitely worth it. We also have a little coconut oil sample. There's two of those. One's virgin and one's refined. We also have protein bar. Milk protein. It's made with cashews, dates, chocolate, and sea salt. That sounds really good. Next up, nut butter. It's 1 egg white, 18 almonds, a half of a date, no BS, and it's vanilla almond butter. Cool. This looks really good. This is pomegranate flavored pistachios. Looks delicious. So sad Jackson went back to school today. Normally he likes to be here when I unbox these because he wants to eat everything in here, so I'll have to show this to him whenever he gets home. We have popcorners. This is kettle corn, like little chips, kind of like. I actually don't like kettle corn. I know people go nuts over kettle corn. I don't like it. But again, Jackson might. He loves these boxes. Ooh, is this flavored at all? Nope, original kettle corn. Cool. So maybe he'll like that. And then what else we got? Beech nut fruity oat bars. This is strawberry flavored. Yum. And a little sucker from Tree Hugger. That's cute. Sour apple flavor. And then we normally do get coupons, advertisements at the bottom. So here's some more from the nut butter. I guess they have different, yeah, honey kind. Honey cinnamon, that sounds good. And that they do sell at Target, so that's good. What I like about these boxes, I've always loved them, and I'll bring this stuff to work with me when I'm trying to get something to eat in the morning and I don't have time. But Jackson actually started kindergarten and they need snacks and you have to label them. So these are like perfect, 'cause I know they're healthy and a lot of them organic, non-GMO, all that good stuff. So it's also stuff he can take with him to school to kind of switch up what he typically eats. So if you guys are interested in joining, I'll put a link below. I also have a playlist in case you want to see previous boxes. They've all been good. So I will put that all in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.